Hi everyone, this is Miss P, and this is a review of multiplying two-digit numbers using an area or a box model. As you see here, we have the multiplication problem of 74 times 48, two-digit numbers that we are trying to multiply by each other. In order to use the area model, I have to create my boxes so that I can multiply out each partial product and keep them organized. Because I'm multiplying two-digit numbers, I created a box that has two sections going across and two sections going down. Once I have my box ready, I'm going to take each of the factors and I'm going to break them up into tens and ones. I'm going to put them in expanded form, leaving the tens next to one of the rows or columns and the ones next to the other row or column. I'll start with the number 74, and I'm going to choose to put this vertically along the side of the box. I can break 74 up into 7 tens or 70 plus 4 ones. Next, I'll take the number 48, and I'm going to break it up into tens and ones horizontally along the top of the box. I've broken 48 into 4 tens or 40 and 8 ones. Now that I have each of my factors expanded into tens and ones, I'm going to multiply the partial factors to create partial products. I'll start with the tens, 70 and 40. I can multiply 70 times 40, which will give me 2,800 or 2,800. I can do this quickly because I can take the 7 and the 4, which are in the tens place. I should know that 7 times 4 is 28. And then I can add the zeros from the partial factors into my partial product, giving me 2 zeros at the end of the number, which makes 2,800. Next, I'm going to move vertically down and I'm going to multiply the 40 times 4. Multiplying 40 times 4 gives me 160. I know that easily and quickly because I can take the number 4 and 40 in the tens place, multiply it by that 4 to get 16, and then I can add my 0 from my partial factor into my partial product to give me 160. Next, I'm going to multiply my 70 from my first row times the 8 from the second column. 70 times 8 equals 560. Finally, I will take the two groups of ones, the 4 and the 8, and multiply those together. 4 times 8 equals 32. What I have now is I have 4 partial products. When I break up my factors in my original problem of 74 times 48, and I multiply the partial factors of the tens and the ones, I get 4 partial products. And now that I have my partial products, I can add all 4 of them together to get my final full product. I can simply place all of my partial products in an addition problem vertically. I can go ahead and add up my ones place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 2. My tens place, 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Regroup my 1 into the hundreds place. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. And 14 plus 1 is 15. Regroup into the thousands place. I now have 1 plus 2 is 3. And that gives me a total product of 3,552. By using my area model or my box model, I have been able to determine that 74 times 48 equals 3,552.